Hi guys, so today we're hiking. We're already on the trail because I just am tired of the car intros. And we're going pretty uphill, pretty fast, with no end in sight. So we got Athena here to pull some weight. Look at her, so cute. We're at Seven Falls Trail today. So we're gonna see some waterfalls. It's actually a really beautiful hike. Let me show you guys this view coming up. It's the puppy. Hi, Athena. But look at this. Yeah, so we are hiking. Up and up and up we go. How are you feeling, Cody?
I feel okay. I feel hot.
It's very hot.
It's very pretty here though.
Yeah, it's super pretty. That's a bonus for sure. Oh, we finally got to some shade. I'm literally sweating. Oh my god. So beautiful though. Look how chill my dog is without my other dog. Hi, Athena. Stop eating grass. Up. We are near one of the waterfalls now. It's so pretty. Hi, Athena. Oh my god, ow. I don't even know, like, yeah, I think. Oh my god. Oh, ah, fuck! Athena! Alright.
You're safe.
Wow, look at that. Like, four-wheel driving it. Up.
Get it, Mama. Good girl.
She's not even using her back legs. Like, oh man. Ah. Oh my god, guys, we're in like this area. Feels like we're in the middle of the forest. We probably are, actually. I had to stop and eat a banana because all the rock climbing is making me out of energy. Hey, Athena. Just to give you guys an idea, we're crawling through these narrow tunnels. Or like system, I don't know. This is what we're climbing through. Guys, that will go down. That's like top 5 hardest hikes I've done. But look at where we are. We reached the waterfall. Good job. I'm eating my push arm, and then we're gonna head back up and make the long trek back to the car. Alright guys, we're saying goodbye to this beautiful place. We're gonna go on the hike back now. Guys, I like to consider myself a pretty avid hiker, like I truly do, but your girl is gassed. We're climbing up in here. Guys, we are literally up there. I can see the ocean from here. That's the ocean. This is gorgeous. We made it to the creeks. Whew. That was the hardest part, so it's all smooth sailing from here. Goodbye, waterfalls. We are out of the thick of it. We're going down now. Oh my god, guys, I forgot to tell you, Cody has officially gotten hiking boots. Let's see them. Boots, Cody. Look at that. What kind did you get?
Moab, I think.
Mohawk.
Something Moab 3.
Fire.
Waterproof.
There's so many bugs around here. But like cool bugs, like grasshoppers and like bees, dragonflies. We saw a lot of dragonflies. We can see the end of the trail, finally. So we have finished the hike. It was quite a hike, and I am very happy to be done with it. So, oh my god. Yeah, so that hike was moderate. I would say that it was hard. Maybe it's just because my dog, I'm not sure, but I think it was, I don't know, what do you think it was?
What, like the level?
Yeah. It's just the rock climbing, I feel.
Yeah, it was like more than just hiking, like real legit climbing.
Yeah, we were like climbing fucking rocks with like a rope. Super beautiful though, and 10 out of 10 because there's like nobody at the falls, so that's the best part. Anyways, see you guys next week. Bye!